Every day is a day to be increasingly disgusted by the emptiness of Christian behaviors, basically Christians. Today I'm speaking with an elder brother, and he confides in me. He tells me that he was the one who orchestrated that my grandfather was not buried immediately he died. Okobi. He was the one that engineered, executed Kungu, a 109-year-old Alusi, an ancient altar, being taken to a mortuary. Told me, he said, Kungu had previously told everybody that when he dies, nobody should put him in the mortuary. But that him was now talking with Okongu, and the Okongu agreed. And the him was now talking with my uncles, my late uncles, and probably my dad as well. And they agreed, or whatever he said. Yeah. Archaeological. A human body is an altar to spirits. And a 109-year-old altar, where you go carry immediately, put them back, make him reintegrate, make that Okalam had reintegrate one time into the universe. As in Okalam more, in Chi don't go off. Make you put them back. You can't carry them, go keep for where a bunch of ofeke go carry person through from one place. Infuse things into, touch you in places where nobody's supposed to touch a sacred body. Every day I just get increasingly disgusted by Christianity. Throw your hands in the air,